How you doing, everyone? This is Astro, and I would like to give you a quick tutorial on my capture page. My capture page been around for quite some time, and with this particular platform, this will allow you to create a limited capture page for your business. Whatever opportunity that you have, you could be able to promote your business with that, and it has like a done for you system that has its own autoresponders and such with. So here, this is the back office. Now, as you can see, these are the labels that you can really go to, whatever you want to get started. You have your personal information. You have your statistics and analytics. You have your lead management, capture pages, autoresponders, signature, broadcast. This is where you put your photo in. This is the calendar, pretty much what you see right here of whenever you get some type of leads that will go into this calendar, and it'll show you the date that lead had came and opt in. You have form code. It's probably like with maybe like HTML or something like that. And this is your, your billing and all that. And over here to the right, you have your banners, your campaigns, your resources. They have a lot of particular resources I can show you right now just to give you an idea. So getting started guide, and they have like videos that you can really check out once you click these links. They also have how you set up a third-party autoresponder. So just in case if you don't want to use the system's autoresponding, if you have Aweber or if you have GetResponse, you can pretty much attach that autoresponder to this particular platform. So it's just a lot of different components that you can do right here, and they also have a video where you could pretty much set up, just to teach you how to set up. This right now, as you can see, it says coming soon, so it haven't really came out yet. So you have to check back at a later time. This is pretty much where you can send out a broadcast email to all your contacts. And I believe with this particular program, you send it once every 5 days. Don't quote me on it. I believe with this, with my capture page. But that's to help you, so you can be able to send your own autoresponder or blast email out. Right here, of course, you can send your own signature. You put your own, name. Now, this is where your link is. Now, if you want to be able to promote this opportunity, you can be able to do so on any platform like YouTube, Facebook, whatever you want. You can pretty much promote this link. Now, this particular web design will cost you $19.95 a month. If you get 3 people under you as a referral, it will pay off your next month billing. So as long as you have 3 people that's paying residual to you, then you will be able to get that for free for that month. So try to do your best to get people under you, and that can really help you out where you don't have to really come out of pocket too much with this. But it's an awesome opportunity. This did help me to promote my business and all the opportunities that I have, especially my primary business. And as you can see in here, they have capture pages for each type of business that you have. And that's one thing I like about my capture pages. There's so many businesses that my capture page help promote. Like you see, Easy One Up, Exodus Elite, you name it. If you in the CBD, in IPS, which is it's the processing system. I think that's what it is. But yeah, and also you can edit your own capture page as well. So right up here at the top. So that's very helpful as well. So that's one thing I do like about this. It has everything done for you. Um, in the back, I will go and show you everything right here in the back, but it's got a lot of personal information, so I don't really want to show that to you. But you can see everything, how to get started here, and it's a lot of helpful information. And also, it also can help you with getting traffic. too. So if you want to do like SMS, text messenger advertising, for those who like to do advertising through text message, here's a video and it shows you how to do that, and it shows you like the prices to get started with that. Um, Also got classified ad submission, so you could be able to post an ad to thousands of different classified ad sites that can help you promote different your opportunity to different classified ads on so many sites, so that'll help you get a lot of exposure. It also have real-time biz ops where you get leads, get real-time leads where you get to actually see these people real time, and talk to them and conversate with them. So that can help you out. Also, MML leads. When you go to MLMleads.com, you can purchase something on the My Pilot traffic, where you can get hot leads, and they have a lot of different price packages that you can look up, so they can help you with that. So, like I said, with this, my catcher page is very, very, helpful. So you can really, see how everything works out. So, you know, but if you like to get started with the My Capture page, you can check out the link in the description, and you can click on that, and you can sign up. And if you're looking for a done for you funnel, sales funnel, this is pretty much a good opportunity for you to have. So saying that's enough for now. I will have more up and coming videos about my capture pages, so make sure you stay tuned. Make sure you if you like this video, hit that like and subscribe button for more upcoming videos. And I will see you on the other side. Peace.